Various civil society organizations strongly condemned the alleged arrest of 3 cadres of the Pambay-led United National Liberation Front UNLF-P. Organization unanimously demanded to release them without any condition by 12 noon today. They also warned to launch an intensive form of agitation. Addressing the media, the president of the Federation of Civil Society Organization, Fox, T.H. Manya, said that the arrest of the 3 cadres of UNLF by the National Investigation Agency is very unfortunate. UNLF is one of the mighty groups that agreed to sign a peace deal with the government of India. As such, arresting them is illogical and unacceptable. He continued and asked which law has given the right to arrest cadres who are in peace talks. With a lot of positive aspects, the group have come forward for a peace deal. But contrary to it, they were arrested, which is highly condemnable. He said that apart from just signing peace talks with the government of India, they also play an important role in protecting Manipur's integrity, which has been allegedly threatened by illegal immigrants. It may be mentioned that a team of combined forces operating under the supervision of the National Investigation Agency apprehended 3 cadres of the UNLF-P from Kwakachal area under Imphal West at around 10:30 am yesterday. Apprehended cadres, including key figures of the group such as the self-styled chief of the army of the said group, T.H. Choiba alias C.W. Mapu, Lieutenant Colonel Lai Mayum Ingba and Cadre Lanjadaba. After they were apprehended, security measures intensified in and around Imphal West and Imphal East yesterday.
Next day, Makan agitation Torakan, the Manipur is okay. Our people, Pusala, Manipur Kayadaba, Pistok Toroka, Pistok in Amada, me Paga the Borgadi, Masi Tangamase, Lebak Miamna, Kochoidamaki, Quilanting, again my own son, and I walk on them up. I preski make the Tamsaki, and I quay high bar, a single agitation. I do go about in the Agorum Gilonum Lounge, say, Masi Yadi have the man put on Minna.
On the other hand, a torch rally demanding unconditional release of the 3 cadres of Pambay-led UNLF within 24 hours was conducted yesterday at Mayang Imphal area. The rally was organized by Mayang Imphal Apun Balup. During the rally, the Mairap Highway shouted that the arrest of the 3 cadres of Pambay-led UNLF, including its chief of army by NIA, is highly condemnable. We blame the non-transparent nature of both Manipur government and India government. We demand unconditional release of the trio within 24 hours. If failed, agitation should be launched. In this regard, Haishnam Shishila, co-convener of the Mayang Imphal Apun Balup, expressed that we condemn the arrest of the 3 cadres of Pambay-led UNLF who signed peace agreement with India government. This shows that both India government and Manipur government are not transparent. She asks what kind of peace India government wants. The trio should be released without any conditions, she added.
Agreement in Araba, ELITETV Ahumbu Pabase, Garamba peace agreement Oibirabano. Aduga, Nasi Atuba Matamda, 24 hour Gimanung the Tador the Targadi, Manipuri upon the Guina. Akan Bukunjalamas and Hakan Habaze, is that government Amadi India government game upon the Nasi, imagine you over Toglang, Atso Wamagaloina Nasi, I quit Atso Lantin again Habaze, Saptano was a Rono Bagalona Nasi, I quit Tamza.